Today, I want to show you how you can install Claude Code using 9Router. 9Router is a new and powerful tool that allows you to use multiple AI models and multiple AI endpoints from a single application. You can install it locally on your laptop, launch it easily, and use your own API keys. Some providers even allow limited free usage, which makes this tool even more interesting. This is going to be a really helpful video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be creating more videos showing how to use this tool properly, including how to use it with free models. Alright, let's get started. This is the 9Router website. From here, you can find all the installation instructions. You can install it directly through CMD using the provided command. As you can see, I've already copied the command and started installing it. The installation usually takes around 2 minutes. It's very quick and straightforward. Once installation is complete, you simply run the command to launch the application locally on your laptop. After running the command, 9Router will start on your system and give you different options. You can select the Web UI option, which will open the interface directly in your browser. For the first login, the default password is 123456. After entering that, you can log in successfully. Now, as you can see, there are many different providers available: AI providers, API providers, and multiple tools all in one place. We will cover each provider and their applications in future videos, but in this video, I want to specifically show you how to use Claude Code with 9Router. This is going to be very useful because you can connect different models from different providers and use them through Claude Code, including some models that offer free access tiers. Now first, we need to complete authentication. You can log in using any supported account. The authentication process is very fast and secure. Once logged in, you'll see a list of available models. Before using any model, we first need to create an API key. So let's create one. You simply click on Create API Key, give it any name you prefer, and click Create. That's it. You don't need to do anything complicated. Once it's created, you can see the API key listed there. You can also verify which AI provider or model is connected. Now everything is set up. Next, we open Claude Code. Before using it, we need to select which model we want to use. As you can see, I've selected a model. In this case, I connected it with the provider and selected a specific model. Now let's open a new command prompt and launch Claude Code. Simply type Cloud and press Enter. Claude Code will start running and connect to the model we selected. For example, here you can see the response coming from the backend model. In this case, it's the Kimi KX2 model that we selected earlier. And that's it. Now you can start using it. You can give prompts, run tasks, experiment with different models, and switch between providers easily. In the next video, I'll show you which providers offer free API keys and which free models you can use with this portal and with Claude Code. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.